Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it Thursday and Friday of last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But a nice way to start off a new week here, and definitely some updates here need to be done. That first update comes about just from a foundational rule on charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So if you did watch the video from last week, talks about right here around 19 cents as resistance, but this morning got the breakout. And the nice part was after the breakout, got some good solid continuation with it, meaning that the price just continued to separate to the upside. So now on any sort of pullbacks or anything like this, preferable area would be to see the price stay above 19. Now, if the price falls below 19, am I saying the entire chart's ruined? Absolutely not. But that would just kind of, as far as this move is concerned, that would just illustrate that there actually wasn't any sort of true power behind it. Because, think about it. If the price goes back inside of this range where it was already in, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true power aren't going to be going back to where they were. They're not going to be falling back inside of ranges that they just broke out from, right? They're going to make progress forward. Meaning if the price does pull back here, but in this situation, instead of breaking through, find support, and then start to work its way back upwards, think about what you would have in this situation. Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have a low there. You'd have that low right there. You picture these as stair steps, and hey, there you go. That's progress being made in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves are going to do. They're going to start to make progress. So, is this the breakout truly a breakout? Well, we can answer that very easily by just measuring the progress or lack thereof. And again, a lack of progress would be the price falling back inside of the channel and, kind of back inside of the channel being quantified as the $19 mark. So definitely a key level of support there. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, now the next level that comes into play is going to be that overall one up here right around the $20 mark, 2010 if you want to get more specific. I'm not saying this is going to be getting hit tomorrow or anything like that, but as far as resistance area, it's kind of a miniature blue sky breakout after 19 as that next area, not until right up around the $20 range. So all in all, nice move today. The breakout is underway. Is this a true breakout? Does this breakout have some more power and momentum behind it? Well, let's just first start off by seeing if the price can start to make progress in the form of not going back to where it was. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.